Good morning, everybody. So it is Saturday morning, and you know what that means.
Crafty kids!
Yes, and today we are making some chocolate milkshakes in honor of National Chocolate Milkshake Day, which is today.
Woo!
Yes, so it is 10 a.m. We may not want to make these right away, but they could make a delicious afternoon snack or perhaps after dinner. Who knows? Ask the adult in the household.
Yes.
Yes. But today, what you will need for our delicious craft is some ice cream, vanilla ice cream I'm going to use, some chocolate syrup, milk, I'm going to use whole milk, and some whipped cream.
Yummy.
And then non-food items, you'll want a blender, some glasses, and a measuring cup. So I'm just going to use a half cup. The recipe calls for a half cup and a fourth cup of things, but you know, you can never have too much chocolate syrup. So we'll go with that. So first thing you do is put about 2 cups of ice cream in your blender. It says about 4 scoops. I don't have a traditional scoop, so I'm just using a spoon. And we're good there. And then we're doing a half cup of whole milk. I need some help from an adult for pouring. I might need some help from an adult. Okay, and then we have our chocolate syrup.
Yummy.
Yum. And this, we're just gonna do about half of the half cup because that's a quarter cup.
Fancy.
We're gonna scrape that out of there. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, and now we're going to blend. So I'll be right back. All right, and we're back with our blended milkshakes. So just kind of blend them until it's nice and smooth and pourable. And then we pour into our glasses.
Yum.
This looks really good.
Agreed.
All right. So that's good. I made a little mess. Just gonna clean that up real fast. And then, of course, we need to top it off with some whipped cream. And there you go.
Delicious.
Our chocolate milkshakes are ready, Mr. Ross.
Woo!
Yes. All right. Thank you so much for joining us.
Yay!
Bye. Welcome to the Ice Cream Social.
Haha.
Let's have ice cream and socialize.
Very good. Good stuff. Yeah.
Sugar rush.
Woo!